Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name is Natalie.
And my name is Lawrence. And that felt weird, but the reason why I normally say the first bit, then Natalie does it, the reason why we're changing this up is because I have no idea what this video is about.
No, this is a Natalie special this week, and I've been sent a very cool little gadget, which I won't tell you what it is yet. Let's roll the intro and then I will introduce it.
Really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
Alright, go on then. What have you got?
What is my biggest hate about RV life?
Probably doing it with me, if I'm honest.
Second.
Well, it was dishwashing, but we already got a dishwasher.
That is true. I do hate washing the dishes,
Yeah.
but we have an RV dishwasher now. Check out that video if you haven't. That was fun.
I don't know, what else?
Laundry. And I've been moaning about this for years. They'll know.
But the laundry fairy does it.
I hate going to laundromats, especially when we had Roxy and I had to keep taking. Well, you can't take the dog beds to any of the campground ones.
That was bad. So Roxy was incontinent. She died a couple of years ago, but she was pretty much incontinent most of her life due to a medical thing. But yeah, we had to wash the dog beds at least every couple of days, and towards the end of her life it was every single day. But you can't, well, one, it's not fair to wash them in a campground because other people are washing their clothes. We don't want like dog pee and dog fur and everything, so we try not to do that. Laundromats sometimes have a dog one that you can use sometimes today.
Horse blankets and dog beds.
Okay, there you go. And then sometimes we can't do it, and so we have to hand wash them or whatever.
And then they sit there soaking wet outside on the front of the rig, and then they stay damp for ages.
And then just in general, Natalie hates going to the laundromat.
I really do.
She leaves the, you know, when you huff when you leave the house, like, oh, I'm going to the laundromat now. It's that kind of thing.
You haven't been to some of the ones at Little Rock, sweetheart.
I know, but whatever. All right, show us. I'm not happy about this, but we'll see what it's like. Okay, so this doesn't look too bad. This is the Hava T01, and it's very small, so I approve of that. So we obviously don't have an RV right now. But this has always been one of Natalie's problems, and we were always looking for something, especially in our travel trailer. It would have had to be a combo system or something. This isn't a dryer, right, is it?
Can't remember.
I don't even know.
No.
We did get this for free, I'm going to be honest, but Natalie was so excited that someone finally sent us one of these. So I think it's just a washing machine from what I was just reading. And so it's small, but there's a few things. I did write some notes on a few things that annoy us about some stuff. So we want to see, one, the weight. This is 40 pounds. With the packaging, actually. We want to know the noise. That's a big deal. If you want to put it on overnight. We want to know the vibration. If it's in an RV, it could vibrate. I would be interested in the water usage. I don't have a water meter at the moment, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. And then the size, which is actually looks pretty small. Then there's the obvious things. Does it wash clothes? Right. I took the... Okay. Let me unwrap this, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm impressed, and you can tell it's portable. It's not properly square, so it doesn't fit in a cabinet. It is a top loader. That could be an issue if you're putting it in a closet in an RV or something. But this is definitely cool for portable. I mean, it's pretty small and it's not very heavy. And it is a top loader. You can see, gosh, that's very loose, but okay, let's see how that works. All right, it comes with a normal hose connector. Just clip it in, and then we have a drain pipe. I don't know where that goes. All right, down the bottom there, easy peasy. It's so simple. You have the controls on the top here, and that's it. And it's really not very heavy at all. I'm weak, and I can pick this up. What's this? There's a little filter in here, I think, obviously. Not really much else to say. I mean, I quite like it, actually. It looks very nice. This is really nice. It's like a glass top. All right, so I think I've never washed clothes outside before. Shall you just plug it in out here?
Sure.
See what it's like. All right, so we need power and water. I'll go and do that now. Right, so easy to set up. It comes with a cable. It comes with a hose that you connect to a normal. We just connected it to a garden hose. Then we've connected the power, and then I really easily connected the drain pipe, which you can put in anywhere you want. But it is a bottom drainer rather than shooting water up. It just kind of drains out, gravity fed. So bear that in mind. The other thing that we just struggled with is when you turn it on, you have to press and hold for like 3 seconds to turn it on. I thought it was broken. That was the easiest setup ever. The only other thing that Natalie mentioned actually is that we are outside because we're idiots doing this, but it makes sense. The display is like like LED under the glass, so it looks really nice. But outside, I can barely see this. So I'm sure it'll be fine inside, but outside, you're going to have that problem. Not that I ever recommend using this in an RV park outside because that's trashy.
Alright, it doesn't mention in the manual, weirdly, what detergent to use, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a liquid one to be safe. But if it doesn't say that, then I'm assuming you can use pods and powder as well. Alright, I've got a mix of my workout gear and Lawrence's shirts. And there is a list of exactly how many things you can put in. I'll read those out in a minute, but first I'm going to chuck this in. Not the same size as a normal thing, so I don't want to use too much. So we have 8 different modes. We have normal, quick, gentle, heavy, soak, rinse and spin, spin, and tub clean. For the purposes of this demonstration, I am just going to go ahead and do quick. That's 22 minutes. So that's handy, isn't it? Okay, right. So select.
Wait.
Yeah. Oh, what?
I didn't turn the water on.
Oh my goodness, we should do that before we burn it out.
So I made a mistake, and I don't know why this is different, but on the hose that they give you, there is a grey end and a white end. They are different, or even though they screw in. So I put it the wrong way round. I put grey to grey. Who would have thought it? So yeah, no. It goes white to grey, and then grey to the water source, and it is working. Otherwise, it all just pisses out.
Alright, it has 4 different water levels as well, depending on how much you actually have in here. So I'm going to have a look at that quick. Okay, just is L1, L2, L3, L4.
And that's just using more water or less water?
Yeah.
Which way?
I think 4 is the most.
Okay.
Don't quote me on that. No, I don't read stuff.
Alright, so we're doing quick wash and then level 4.
Level 2.
Level 2.
It's not very full.
Okay.
Okay, should I go?
Yeah,
I'm
do it.
Scared. Oh!
Oh.
Doing it.
Can you see?
No.
Oh. We can hear it though. I probably shouldn't do this, but I want to see what happens if you open the lid.
Oh, it turns off.
Oh. It smells of clean water and our body odour. Okay, it's definitely dirty laundry, so let's go again.
Oh, it starts again.
And it starts again.
Oh, good.
That's
That means you can throw stuff in. Good.
So you can, yeah, but not only can you throw stuff in halfway through, if a kid comes past and goes, and opens it, and then if it doesn't auto restart, then that would be annoying.
Yeah, you're right. No, that's great.
Anyway. All right, it's still going. Let's give it a few minutes and see what. I want to know the noise and the vibration.
Yes.
Okay, we'll skip to when it does something interesting. All right, Natalie, I'm not that pissed about this.
Good.
Because this is useful for a couple of things actually. This will never replace your weekly wash.
No.
But if you do like a wash a day or something, like you said, it's 22 minutes in the quick wash. So if that works perfectly, you can do a few washes a day.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't use too much water. It can hold up to 6.6 pounds, which is obviously like 4 pairs of pants. That's what they say. But it's really good, one, as a backup if you already have one.
True.
Or even for a house, it's a backup. For a tiny home, this is absolutely perfect. But it's great for things like, like you said, the dog beds. We can use them. We don't have to worry about that. Mm-hmm. Great for, just your underwear, things like that. A couple of T-shirts and things. But I wouldn't do a whole weekly wash. You're certainly not going to get your bedding in here. I
just realised who it's perfect for.
Who?
My mum and dad. They only bought 4 pairs of pants and socks when they last came out, and Mum was washing them in the sink.
Sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Carter. You do the same though. We go on vacation for 7 days. I take 3 weeks worth of clothes. Natalie takes half a week's worth of clothes and thinks she'll stretch it out, and we end up washing our stuff or finding a laundromat somewhere. It's like, just take double the clothes. It doesn't matter.
I wash them in the sink. Now I don't need to. Our guests can just wash their stuff in
you
here.
Just have them on their own. Anyway, so So I just want to make that the point that this isn't the point of doing this. The point is just to have something as an emergency, and I think for RV life this is perfect, especially if you're going away just for a week, like in your RV. And sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at you. But if you're going away for a week just in the RV, then this is perfect for a smaller RV that you can fit in there. You can even just put it in the back of the truck because it's portable.
Yep.
Anyway, it's really cool. So that's why I'm not too pissed about it, but it is still pretty big. So yeah, the other thing is the noise level. At the moment, it's only done about 5 minutes, and I can see it's draining already. So it doesn't do the whole wash and then drain at the end. I've just noticed that because I'm stood in water right now. And so it drains as it goes. So I guess it needs water consistently and the drain rather than, we have a dishwasher, RV dishwasher, and we can fill it up in the you fill up the tank and it uses that water to wash it. This needs constant water supply. And the other thing is the noise. So far it hasn't been very noisy, but it does say that they are under 60 decibels, which is about the same as an office environment, or what was it, driving a car at 50 mile an hour or something like that. So I can hear it getting a bit louder, but it's going to start spinning in a moment. It was just filling up the water, but so far not too bad. Vibration, it hasn't done the spin yet, so I will check on that in a moment. But okay, Natalie, this was good. I will say we did get this for free. They did not pay us for this review or anything. They just sent it to us and said, review it, do what you want with it. But these are typically $270 on Amazon. But if you use our link that we will put below, they're $179, so $180, which I think is pretty good.
For this, I think that's an amazing price. Yeah.
Yeah, and if you do use our link, we get a couple of.
I don't think we do.
Couple of bucks, don't we? We
No,
don't get any money back.
enough for these guys. We're just doing it out of the goodness of our hearts.
Come on, Hava. You'll Hava in it all. All right, just filled up with water again.
At 10 minutes.
At 10 minutes, so it's what, 22 minutes, wasn't it? So 12 minutes this has been running. Like, I can barely even feel that. I'm trying to think, if you were in an RV, would you be able to feel it? Because it's all part of the same floor. Which sounds dumb, but like noise, nothing. Not even. You could watch TV. You could have this right next to you whilst you're watching TV.
Well, it's right next to you when you're talking, and it doesn't matter.
I think you can probably hear our pool pump louder than this.
Yeah.
So noises are nothing so far. I want to wait till the end when it does a dry spin, see if it spins it dry. But yeah, vibration, I think you might be able to notice, but it's not going to, even if you put this on overnight and you're in bed, I don't think it'll bother you. In fact, it might even just vibrate you to sleep. One thing I will mention, we were about to put this into a bucket so that we could measure how much water it actually uses. However, it's actually quite deep. It goes down to about here, and the bucket I have is a 5 gallon. So if this was over that, it wouldn't drain out gravity fed, it would just fill up the thing inside. So this needs to be on the floor or very, very low. If it is in an RV, you could just put a hole through the floor and then just dangle it out the bottom, depending on what washing detergent
I think people could put it in their shower.
Oh yeah, but that's it. So this is the other thing that we were saying. This would be really cool for like bed and breakfasts and stuff.
Yes.
Or guest rooms.
Yeah.
Because people can just put this in, most people
Airbnb.
Yeah, Airbnb, stuff like that. This would be perfect for just the room.
Drop the hose.
Oh. There you go, exactly that reason. So that's in the second cycle. So I'm going to guess this probably uses about 10 gallons of water so far. In total, it will use about 10 gallons. But yeah, the drainage thing is a bit annoying. You can't have it any higher than here probably. But there's ways around it, especially if you put it up on a shelf. But the noise,
Yeah.
but if you put it up on a shelf, then you can't get in the top because it's a top loader.
We only need to put it up to the height of a 5 gallon bucket, not like really high.
True, but if you had like a chest of drawers and then put this on top, it's
Yeah.
fine for me. But you're only like 4 foot high. All right, this is really bad timing because a plane is going over, but it's doing the dry cycle.
You just see
So
it. I
we
can
have-
see it moving.
We have 4 minutes left. I can see it moving, so the vibration is way more now. This would be annoying, but it's only 4 minutes. I annoy you with 4 minutes vibrations all the time. So, yeah, it's not bad. Like, the noise isn't bad, but the vibration's worse than the noise. It sounds pretty cool.
It does
But
actually, yeah.
Natalie was saying that one thing she wants to test is it says 4 minutes left. Every washing machine we've had, when it says there is 1 minute left, Natalie just said to me she timed it once and it took 3 minutes to do the last minute. So I wonder if this will be the same. But so far, it's very accurate. Right, we're on 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm timing it. Timing it.
She's
Washing
timing
machine
it.
minutes are a different league
different time zone.
Yeah, I'm gonna start doing stuff in washing machine minutes in future. People are like, why are you late? Oh, I was on washing machine minutes. Sorry.
Yeah, except for coming home from work. Oh no, I'm back on normal time now.
Yeah.
Washing machine minutes is just going to work, but leaving work, I leave on time. So 6 seconds.
It's gone over a minute.
It's over a minute.
It's lying.
It's normal washing machine time. Sounds finished.
It does sound finished, actually.
I think it's just doing a final little spin there.
Yeah.
Oh, how much over was it?
Only 17 seconds.
Okay.
There's the
Oh.
noise. All right, I'll allow that. That's not 3 minutes. 17 seconds over a minute. That's okay.
Okay. How does it look?
This is the weirdest thing we've ever done on a weekend, Lawrence.
I know.
All right.
Our
Oh,
neighbours must think we're crazy.
I know. They're like, why do they keep testing all these products outside?
Right. Unfortunately, we don't really have anything that was really dirty.
Well, actually, these trousers get quite dirty. These are
Really?
dog walking
How they look?
trousers.
Good?
They look pretty good.
Do they smell good?
They smell amazing. Oh, there's a few dog hairs in here, Lawrence.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Well, there is a little filter in there that you have to clean out
Your
as well.
favourite shirts.
Nice.
Quite a few dog hairs on this.
Oh, really?
What did I put in here? I think we just emit dog hairs at this point.
All right, good.
Wait. This had chocolate on it.
Did it?
Yes.
Chocolate?
Yes, chocolate. For my Twix addiction.
Sure.
I'm not seeing it.
You are looking on the back of them, so are you
No,
sure it's
look at
chocolate?
the front.
Oh, right, okay.
I wiped it on my side.
Sure.
Stop! I wish I'd never mentioned it.
Natalie shit herself.
Oh, nice. Well, it
All right.
smells great.
All right, so there is some dog hair in here.
There is. But we could do a clean tub wash.
We could.
Yeah.
We could try that. All right, let's try that quick.
Okay.
All right, we're not doing a tub wash because it takes 40 minutes.
Yeah, I got
So
time.
we're not doing
I ain't got time for
Ain't
that.
nobody got time for that. All right, so, okay, what do you think?
I love it.
Yeah, I thought you would. It could be crap and you'd love it though.
Rubbish! That is not true. This is exactly what I've been looking for. Something that's just small, lightweight, that I can throw in the shower, just do a few
Yeah,
bits,
true.
especially because I go to the gym like every day. And so it's like, it'd be nice just to do the gym stuff at least,
Yeah,
so I
true.
don't have
Just
to
your daily-
take...
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, actually, so, I think you're right. I think I mean, it doesn't bother me. You do the laundry. That's why it doesn't bother me, because you're the laundry fairy. But I think you're right. I think this is great.
Yeah.
Like, this is really
For
good.
that price as well, like...
Yeah.
when
think
I
it's
was
really
looking
good.
at washing machines, they were like $500-700. So,
Yeah.
but yeah.
And we've always been a bit worried about RV washing machines because I've heard a lot of bad things about them, especially when they're the washer dryer combos. And you can't really put your washing out to dry in an RV park, because it looks trashy, and there's normally rules against it. So they're always hung up around the rig if we do that, if we hand wash them. So yeah, no, I think this is really good, and it seemed to dry them okay, not perfectly.
Yeah, I didn't say that, but actually they weren't dripping or anything. They were pretty
they were
dry.
just damp.
They were
right.
just damp. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, okay, perfect. All right. Well, it's a good one. Well
They
done,
were.
Natalie.
Thank you.
Well done. I think we shall use this. All right, the link is below if you want to have a look. I don't know whether we'll give you the Amazon link or the link to their direct website. Natalie will figure all of that out. But thank you for watching. We're hoping next week we can go and look at some rigs. There's one place we want to go, but it was not destroyed by the hurricane, but they were affected by it, so we're just giving them some time to sort their stuff out. Not only that, but the people who work there were very much affected. A couple of guys lost their house, so we're being patient with that. So thank you for being patient with us, but we are still looking. Class A is still at the top of the list. We're just not sure what type.
Yeah.
So again, thank you for all your recommendations. People have sent us links on certain rigs that I have favorited and we are looking at. So yeah, thank you everyone for all of your help and advice on that. But anyway, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the thanks button because Natalie loves it when you do that, and hit the join button to support a couple of tits, Natalie and myself, and become a Braziere. If you've already done that, thank you very much. We appreciate you, and thank you because you've helped us to buy this new camera that we still don't really know how to use, but thank God we don't have that stupid GoPro.
Yeah. Done with
We
GoPros.
are done with GoPros, so which it hurts my soul because I've been
So
a
loyal.
promoter of them for at least 15 years. So
Converted now.
we are converted. Yeah, this DJI is awesome. All right, okay, thanks a lot. We will see you next week.